Hey, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to talk about this ice roller.
This ice roller is not too big, not too small. I really like its size so you can just very conveniently put it in your fridge or in your skincare refrigerator. What's also great about it is its handle, so you can very easily hold it with your own hand as you roll it over your face. I also really like the ice roller itself. It is super smooth, it's not harsh at all. So like when I put it on areas like my cheek or around my neck, I don't feel any scratches, which has happened to me before with other ice rollers. I think this is great. I really love the green and the blue color. So when I roll the ice roller on my face, it is very easy to do. I can be super gentle, or you can add a little pressure, whichever is your choice. I also love the circular design. It allows me to apply the ice roller on all the crevices of your face, whether that be your cheekbones, or as you can see, you can do your jawline. You can even get into your eye bags. I suffer from really puffy eyes, so I really like to get into my eye bags and very gently apply the ice roller to help with the puffiness. I recommend this ice roller to all of my friends. After using it almost every morning, I've noticed a significant difference in my face, my skin, and my acne.
I absolutely love this ice roller because I feel like it's changed my skincare routine for the better, but that's just my point of view.